Hi, Steve-O here with YETI Snow MX. Once a season, good idea to pull that skid out and re-grease anything that's got friction or contact. So when you're ready to remove the skid, it'll make your life a lot easier if you back off the track tension first. So just loosen off your axle and loosen off your track tension. It gives you a little more space to actually wiggle the skid in and out. You're gonna pull the 4 bolts that are holding the skid in place to your chassis. Pro tip would be to actually just crack one side, crack the other side, and work them out one after the other. If you pull one out completely, you run a good chance of just the other side just spinning and spinning and not wanting to back out. Once you've pulled the skid out of the track, it's fairly straightforward. All you need to do is pull your axles out. Grease any of the bushings, as well as the front lower A-arm bushings. This will add a lot of life to your kit. When you're ready to slide the skid back in, it's a good idea to mount the front end first. It will make your life a lot easier when putting that skid back. Once you've got your skid back in there and the 4 bolts back in there, you're okay to reset your track tension and go ride.